There's a certain kind of person who can't relax unless the space around them is clean. The type who notices dust no one else sees, straightens pillows without thinking, wipes countertops twice, and feels uneasy when things are out of place. People often laugh and call them clean freaks. But behind this habit, there's something deeper, something emotional, something psychological, and something surprisingly human. Today, let's talk about the psychology behind people who need their space clean and organized. Not to judge them, not to label them, but to understand the quiet reasons why cleanliness brings them peace. For many people who love cleaning, a clean space isn't just about appearance. It's about control. When life feels unpredictable, when emotions get messy, when the world feels chaotic, cleaning becomes a way to restore order. Their home becomes the one place where they can create calm with their own hands. Wiping a table doesn't just remove dust, it removes anxiety. Organizing a drawer doesn't just sort objects, it sorts their mind. A tidy room becomes a reflection of inner stability. Cleaning is not obsession, it's regulation. Many clean freaks are actually highly sensitive individuals. Visual clutter overwhelms their brain. Messy environments drain their energy. Disorganization increases their stress. Their nervous system needs clarity. Their mind needs space. Their heart needs calmness. So when their environment is clean, their emotions feel softer. Their thoughts feel clearer. Their breathing feels easier. For them, a clean home is not perfection. It's peace. There's also psychology in the routine itself. Cleaning gives structure. It gives rhythm. It gives a sense of accomplishment when life feels blurry. When someone vacuums, folds towels, organizes shelves, or washes dishes, they're doing something with a visible result. Something that brings instant dopamine. Something that reminds them, I can make things better. It's healing disguised as productivity. It's self-soothing without words. Some people become clean-focused because they grew up in messy or unpredictable homes. Maybe cleanliness wasn't valued. Maybe chaos was normal. Maybe the household felt unstable. So as adults, creating order becomes a way to rewrite their past, a way to feel safe, a way to build a home that's calm, because their childhood wasn't. Their cleaning isn't compulsive. It's protective. It's how they build the life they once needed. On the emotional side, clean freaks often carry a strong sense of responsibility. They believe that if they don't maintain the environment, everything will fall apart. It's not pressure, it's instinct. They care about the people they live with. They want the space to feel welcoming, nurturing, and peaceful. Cleaning becomes their love language. It's how they show care, without speaking a word. But here's the part people rarely understand. Many clean freaks are also perfectionists at heart. Not because they want to be perfect, but because they fear letting others down. They use cleanliness to feel good enough, to feel in control, to feel stable emotionally. They may appear strict, but inside they're soft, soft-hearted, sensitive, deeply affected by their surroundings. Their neatness is not judgment. It's vulnerability. It's emotion turned into action. For some, cleaning is the only time they feel truly present. It keeps them grounded. It keeps their mind from spiraling. The rhythmic movements, folding clothes, sweeping floors, sorting items, are their meditation. Where others breathe, they clean. But being a clean freak doesn't mean someone is uptight or difficult. It simply means their emotional world is tied to their physical world. Their environment affects their mental health, the way air affects breathing. And that's not wrong. It's human. So if you're someone who can't think in a messy room, who feels peace when your home is spotless, who relaxes better after cleaning than before. There is nothing strange about you, nothing excessive, nothing dramatic. You simply understand yourself. You know what your mind needs. You know what brings you calm. You know how to take care of your inner world by caring for the space around you. And that awareness is beautiful. Your cleanliness is not a flaw. It's your way of creating peace in a world that often feels overwhelming. Speech balloon, are you like this too? Do you feel most peaceful when your home is clean and organized? Does cleaning help you calm down or think clearly? If this resonates with you, you're welcome to share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might help someone else realize that their need for cleanliness is not too much. It's simply their way of finding emotional balance. And remember, your desire for order doesn't make you controlling. It makes you someone who understands what your heart needs to feel safe.